city don't have elevators, so first time. To 08 password. So this is it. Welcome to my vlog ha. So ito yan guys, ang aming hotel. Ito yung kanilang cabinet. Meron silang towel. Saka meron silang maliit na salamin. Oh, di ba nakita niyo ako diyan guys. At meron silang table. Then meron sila ditong lagayan. So ilalagay na natin yung ating bag. So yan ang bed. Good bed. We'll see, it's good. Cheap bed. I said cheap bed. So the tissue here, the water, hair dryer, and then the toothbrush. So meron silang dalawang pre. So ang kanilang TV, ayan siya. So if you open this, you can see outside. So that is good. We will check the bathroom. So meron din silang telepono here. Thank you for calling, like that. So meron silang telepono. So ayan, i-check na natin ang kanilang bathroom. So i-open natin. So saan kapa. So ito yung bathroom nila. Wow. Wow, it's bigger bathroom. So this is good. So meron silang shower also. Ayan. Meron silang mainit-init. Ayan siya. That's good. That's good really, huh? Very good. And then ayan. So that it's so that is ang kanila. So that it's guys. So anyway guys, thanks for watching.